Hello, Excavator Samson. Oh, careful. Watch the road. There is a pit across the road, and the cars can't drive through. Let's make a bridge over it. We are going to need wood bars for that. And here they are. But what's happened?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look, it seems that there's one more excavator in town. And he has done everything before you could.
Hi.
Looks like you missed your chance, Samson. Hey, I think this little car has lost a balloon, and ask Samson to help get it. What is it, Samson? What are you thinking? That's right. You can climb high on a springboard and get the balloon. Oh, but our excavator Samson has missed that too. His new competition seems to be one jump ahead of him every time. Samson is very unhappy about that. Whoa, be careful. Oops. Now your guest is angry. Time to run. Watch out! Don't ruin everything. And now the barrels are coming into play.
Hello.
Here comes the police. Hello, Officer Bob. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Wow, things are really getting out of control. What's going on over there? What a mess! Look what you've done to the construction site. Officer Bob is very unhappy with both of you. You need to find a way to fix this. You won't leave such a big mess, will you?
Yes.
Great. Let's clean up. Samson, don't worry. Your new friend just wants to help. This board is too heavy for only one excavator to carry.
Yes.
See? See how great it is to help each other? Well done, both of you. By working together, you have cleared up the construction site and become friends. Great job. Bye-bye, guys.